Good morning, Beata. It is Friday, May 13th.
All right, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. I have Oliver here with me because I'm going to kind of kick back and take the day off. Teachers, if you need anything, Oliver Butler here will be taking care of the building today to make sure it's a safe, happy place. Oliver, kind of give them a little, let's see, if they ask you anything, what are you going to have to say to them?
No, sorry.
Sorry, teachers, he's already been prepped on that. Boys and girls, let's find out what's for lunch and what it looks like today.
Today we're having the cookout.
Okay, teachers, at this point you should have your rosters already turned in. You will go through the normal serving line, not in the cafeteria, but through the normal serving line. Your hamburgers and hot dogs will be outside on the grill, and this is a day where we can eat outside with on the picnic tables. Okay, do we have any Seahawk birthdays today?
Yes, we do. We have Courtney Malcolm, Kayla Perez, and Juliana Wellman.
All right.
Happy birthday to you.
Please make your way down to the office so Mr. Butler can give you a birthday surprise. Tay, do we have anything else today?
On Monday, the book fair starts Monday, May 16th.
All right, Monday, the book fair, all next week. Boys and girls, I'm going to send out a reminder. This is the last weekend of the Color-thon. So if you want to participate on May 27th, you're going to need to get your flyer back with a minimum of $10. Remember, we also have these for, I think it's the first 150 kids. So let's make that happen, boys and girls. $6,000 gets me on the roof. Maybe you could be the principal that night. $9,000 gets Miss Oskin and myself. $12,000 gets you to choose a teacher who will also spend the night. Teachers, we need your help. We're trying to look at makeup testing. We need you to make sure you do attendance so we can check in regards to if the children are here or not. Interventionists, we need you at 8 o'clock in Miss Collins' room. Woo! With something to think about. This is
Jason, Oliver,
Jordan.
with Cooper and Miss Jordan behind the scenes. Make it a great day, boys and girls. The choice is always
yours.